Welcome to our channel, Flying Train Jeep Tips. Wow, the train is over the big building. It is very interesting. Wow, flying train, really, radical new idea for the world. The future of train transportation. Let may be up in the air. The train is a flying idea. First Asia, and it is carry up to 2,000 passengers on cargo. The travels nearby topics the speed of China taxing. The world fastest bullet train, which stop out 248 kilometers. Really, it is interesting and amazing. We are watching the Flying Train channel Jeep Tips. The train is over. Maybe it is a park. The train really is down. It is a white color train, and the next train is in the sky over the tree and mountain. The train is going. Wow, the zigzag train. Maybe very interesting train. And my favorite train, flying train. So this channel is like, please subscribe and like, share and comments. You made the positive comments, please. And thanks for watching all video and this video. Thank you.